Welcome back to another Tag Tips video. My name is Megan, and today we're going to talk about 5 tips for handling event registration like a pro. At PC NAMETAG, we've been in business for over 40 years, and in that time, we've learned a thing or two about hosting killer events. We also help thousands of event planners every year make event registration a lot easier. So here are our 5 tips to help you stress less with the event registration process. Tip 1. Order more extras than you think you'll need. Make sure that you bulk up on lots of extra lanyards, badge ribbons, name tag holders, and paper inserts. Nobody really enjoys last-minute rush orders, so do yourself a favor and stock up before your conference. Tip 2. Order extra art-only badges. If you're pre-printing your event badges, make sure to ask for art-only badges or blanks included with your order. These are event badges without any names on them. Our tip at PC NAMETAG is to order spare badges to cover about 10% of your registered attendees. Tip number 3, keep clear adhesive labels plus a label printer on site. For last-minute registrants, you can take an art-only badge and then take a clear adhesive label and print the person's name on it, and then you can stick that to that blank badge. And voila, you've made a sharp-looking badge that looks just like everybody else's. Tip number 4, have a preset badge template on hand. The PC NAMETAG team makes this super easy with every order. We'll give you a free template of your badge artwork just in case you need to print off adhesive labels for those art-only badges for last-minute badge creation at the venue. Tip number 5, save time and print badges on demand. If pre-printed badges aren't your jam, no worries. Instead, try opting for on-site badge printing. I personally love the look of 2-sided fan fold stock, which we carry at PC NAMETAG. All you have to do is print it, fold it, attach a lanyard, and you're good to go. No badge holder needed. Those are my 5 quick tips for handling event registration like a pro. What would you add to this list? Let me know. For more tips just like this, make sure you're subscribed to PC NAMETAG's blog just for event planners, the Tag Talk blog. Also, don't forget to follow PC NAMETAG wherever you are on social. Thanks again for listening, and happy planning!